Hello, in this video I am going to show you some of the components that are in this GoPro accessory kit that is very useful in creating mounts for your camera or helping you to accessorize your means for recording videos that are very convenient. So this kit is from Neewer and it has 50-in-1 sports camera accessory kit. It's a 50-in-1 sports camera accessory kit. This is the instruction manual that comes with it. The case looks like this on the inside. Here's a zipper compartment. Here are some other compartments that are shaped from a foam that really does not fit these components. Ideally, maybe there's a way I have to insert them properly to get them to work, but so far I've just been putting them in any available place. This is a zip a tie bag that you can put your components in. Some components are actually already stored in there when the kit arrives. These are just some of the bags I took the components from. So I'm making this video because I found that this kit is so helpful in accessorizing and helping me to mount my camera, my GoPro camera, and my wife's GoPro camera too. So in a previous video I showed the mounting of the GoPro for the driver's side and for the front grille area of the Jeep Wrangler Sport. And so here are some components. Here's a head harness. Here's a body harness that I've actually used on the beach while I was jogging on the soft sand and along the water's edge. Here is a handy floating handle. So I did swim with the GoPro, but I was using the body harness. But if you were holding it and the camera fell while attached to this, it would float. That's what I think it's supposed to do. It's like a flotation device. Here's a selfie stick that expands out. Here are some adhesive on the back mounts. This comes off of here by pressing the center, and you can remove this. And this here a few more of those that fit into these. And here this one is curved. These are not curved. Yeah, they're curved. This one and this one is a different shape. So here's a curved handle, and here two special pieces that if you needed to mount your camera in a certain angle that's not straight up and down, maybe it's sideways, you can use this to change a 90-degree, have a 90-degree change on that, and you can mount that. I think it goes in here. And this one I'm holding. I should have used one of. I actually have an extra head harness, but I thought that this would be much easier to just record straight right away using just one hand. So you get a 90-degree change on your mount using these two pieces, and this short piece, this short screw is meant for these two pieces. It would not be helpful to mount the camera with this one, because it's so short. It would not tighten. It would stop against the camera. Here you have some extra of these screws. Here's one on here. This is a clip. I actually have a suction cup from this kit that's on my car with another mount for the camera. And here are some straps, more straps in here. This is a wrench, they say. There's a little wrench space. Here's some Velcro. So, and here's another strap. So I use the armband that comes with this kit to mount for the front grille, for the camera mount on the Jeep. And this is a picture, if I don't know the visibility, but this is a some of the items, well, the list of items on here. And I'll just give you a quick view of the camera tripod, mini tripod that's being used for the front driver handle of the Jeep. And here is the arm band that I'm using for the front grille. And then my car has the suction cup with the extra piece for mounting the camera on the top. So I think this kit is very useful and handy and helpful. The accessories are very helpful, so I just wanted to share that with you. So thank you for watching.